welcome to the replay, you guys. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching me live, you're going to see that big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. And if you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos coming up for 2021. And the greatest compliment you guys could give me is a sprinkle. I'd love it if you'd sprinkle this video, y'all. Just a little sprinkle, a little bit of love. I would appreciate it. Hello, hello. Happy Thursday. Hey, you guys got me 2 days in a row. Whoop, whoop. How excited are you? No, just kidding. I'm kidding. Who's excited? Who's excited to see this? No, it's good. Anyway, you guys, super excited to be here with you today. We are going to be doing a quick, fun, crafty little cute project today. This is really probably only going to take us a few minutes. For those of you that are new and watching, again, please say hello to us. Let us know where you're watching from. We always like to welcome our new followers. You guys, my name is Jennifer Jones, and I am an independent designer with this really awesome company called Chalk Couture. So all these gorgeous things that you see around me, and by the way, this is going to be changing, y'all. Listen. Hey, Miss Tina, how are you? How are you doing? Your stuff's going to be coming soon. Yay. So, this is going to be changing. Target actually just dropped off one of my shelving units. So I'm super excited that this is going to all change, hopefully over the weekend, you guys. Super, super, super excited. So, you'll probably see me. Hello, Bay. Hello, hello. Hey, Debbie, how are you? You guys will probably see me Saturday morning for the coffee chalk, unless we get a head start and we get this all changed. I will let you know either way. But yeah, this is all going away this weekend. Hey, Carrie, how are you? Welcome. Thanks for being new and watching. We love to welcome our new followers. Where are you watching from? We would love to know. So it's going to change up, you guys. But for those of you that are new, oh, thanks for sprinkling. Yay. Oh, I'm so glad you're good. Let me, real quick, what is Chalk Couture? So we are a DIY home decor and crafting company, and you won't find our products anywhere else except through a designer like myself. So we have these super awesome silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our dreamy, creamy Chalkology chalk paste, and we have inks. Hello, Miss Brown. Welcome. Hello, hello. We do have all the tools that you need. We do have surfaces that you can choose from. So we have chalkboards, we have box wood frames, we have beautiful whiteboards, we have canvas banners and pillowcases, but this can be done on so many things, you guys. Wood, glass, metals, canvas, cardstock. You can even do your t-shirts, your dish towels, your pillowcases. The list can go on, but the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a home business opportunity. If you're interested in learning more about that, please put a hashtag join in the comments and I'll get that for you. You guys, honestly, the worst outcome if you decide to become a designer is you get an amazing discount, you get to create beautiful DIY home decor, and you get to become a part of this community. Oh, hey, welcome, Carrie from Canada. I love it. We have a lot of Bay, actually Bay that is watching. She is one of our designers from Canada as well. So super excited. Welcome, welcome. But you guys, the greatest thing that can come out of this, again, it can be life-changing. It was for me. I was able to leave my full-time store manager job to do Chalk Couture full-time over a year ago. It's been awesome. You can make some extra or part-time income, whatever you're looking for. You can work right from home, you guys. Totally could work right from home. And again, you could create beautiful DIY home decor. So if you're interested, like I said, just put that hashtag join in the comments and we will get you that info. So let's get this up on my screen. Oops, you don't want to see me again. Whoop, whoop. Right? Hold on, you guys. Oh no, there we go. It wasn't working there for a second. So we are going to do a quick little project. And you know what? This is actually one of the transfers that is in our current startup kit. Let me just really quick pull out my brand new catalog. Aw, thank you, Tesha. Thanks. And awesome. I'm so glad you are a designer. It's one of the greatest things. You guys, this is the current startup kit. Isn't it gorgeous? There are so many beautiful things in here, but this little one right here is exactly what we're doing. It is the Country Kitchen Transfer. I'm going to be using our board and base surface. So these two little things are actually in the startup kit. How fun is that, right? So I am going to be using our chalk paste today. I'm going to be using white and I'm going to be using camel. I'm a little blurry. Uh-oh. You guys, am I blurry for everyone or just designer in South Carolina? Elizabeth, where in South Carolina are you? Oh my goodness, because I am in South Carolina. Where are you from? You guys, our Chalkology chalk paste comes in over 30 different colors. You want it to always be a nice, creamy consistency. I'm in a meeting. Renee, I'm in a meeting. You just want to see what's happening. I gotcha. Thanks for watching, love. I appreciate it. And you want it to be a nice, creamy, dreamy. It's good there. Uh-oh, babe. Babe, try going out and coming back in and see if it does anything. Designer from Texas. Woo, we got lots of designers on today. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Miss Ashley. Hello, you guys. So this is actually one of our older chalk paste. Hey, Miss Shalyn. Shalyn is a designer as well. She is. And if your older chalk paste isn't a nice creamy consistency, because let me tell you, the new chalk paste is like the bomb diggity. But if you have an older chalk paste, all you're going to do is add a little bit of water and stir it. Okay? Just stir it up till you get that nice creamy consistency that you want. So like I said, today we're going to be using our camel and our basic white. Now, oh, you're in Wisconsin. Oh, yeah. You guys got some coldness happening on there. All right. So our beautiful board and base surface. By the way, this is an older one. The newer board and base has a lighter frame color. But this is one of our older ones. And I'm not getting rid of it because, hey, it still works. What I love about this is, number one, it can go horizontal or vertical. I'm about an hour north of you. Okay, cool. Sounds awesome. I am actually going to be at the Vintage Market Days in Charleston this year, Elizabeth. So if you happen to have a chance to come on by, would love to meet you. But that is in April, so I will be there with Chalk Couture. Really cool, you guys. It does go vertical or horizontal, and it's double-sided. So love our board and base for so many projects, okay? Like I said, Country Kitchens is our design today. The directions are all on the back, you guys. How to peel, prep, fuzz, apply, remove, clean for future use. Why? Because they're reusable. You get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one of these transfers. You guys, when you're done, you put them in water. You clean them off with water and a board eraser or a towel. You let them air dry, adhesive side up. And I truly like to wipe mine down with a Clorox or Lysol wipe when I'm done. Have done it since I started Chalk Couture. And that came out all wrong. Oh, okay, you're the inlet. Oh, that's so funny. I'm like, it's in the left. Okay. Got it. That's funny. But you guys, I always like to wipe mine down with a Clorox wipe because to me, it's what I like to do. It's what I like to do, and I feel it does reactivate the adhesive on the back. It always has for me, so that's why I use the wipes. So our first step we are going to do is write on the back of our carrier sheet. So when our transfer is dry, we do know what side that is going to go back on. And then I like to take my finger, rub it over the edge, never at your corners, flip it over, and remove my carrier sheet from my transfer. Now, if you're new and you get these, if you forget to write on the back, do not worry or panic. The shiny side, do you see how that's got a nice shine to it? That is the side your transfer will always go back on. Okay, so I'm just going to set that aside. Now, being that this is a brand new sticky transfer, I am going to fuzz it up. And I'm going to use our fuzzing cloth. And if you don't have a fuzzing cloth yet, don't worry. You can use your toothpaste. Your t-shirt. Why in the world did I say toothpaste? Don't use toothpaste. Use your t-shirt. Help me, help me. All right. Just making sure I don't have anything on there. Okay. Then I'm going to take it, literally place it where I want it on my surface. Country Kitchen. Isn't it cute? You can always reposition if you need to. You can just pull it up. Oh, geez. Right? Either that or Siri. Siri gets the words completely wrong, right? I get it. I get it. So just smooth it out so there's no air bubbles. When I'm smoothing out my transfers, you guys, I really like to go from the center out and just make sure there's nothing in there. Now, I'm going to use my mini squeegees today. Like I said, we're going to do white and camel. And honestly, this is going to be so quick. You guys are going to be like, what's happening? Taking my squeegee, dipping it in my paste, 90-degree angle, scrape it across your silk screen area. That's it. That is it. For those of you that are new to this, maybe you work with vinyl and you know you have to do the weeding. There is no weeding involved in this. The transfer and the chalk paste and the silk screen does all the work for you. So it is amazing. Okay, let's just scrape off my excess so I don't have any lines. Get my other squeegee, do my little piggy. Do my little piggy. And do my words at the bottom. I mean, like, seriously, you guys, we are almost done, right? Look at that. Top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner when you are peeling up your transfers. Look at that. And I always say, don't rip your transfers off like a Band-Aid, you guys. Just pull it up nice and smooth and check it out. Do you see how easy that was? Look at that. Nice, crisp, clean, bright letters. Super simple, super easy to do. Let me dry this real quick. We are almost done. And I just want to let you guys know really, really quick. Hopefully you can hear me. I am actually going to be a presenter for our Chalk Fest on February 27th on the Chalk Couture official Facebook page, you guys. I am super excited. I am super honored. So please make sure you stay tuned to that and all the information coming. I would love to see you guys over on the Chalk Couture Facebook page while we are presenting and doing fun projects, right? Super cute, Tina. I agree. So here's what I'm going to do though, right? Because you know I can't not have a little zhuzh. I'm just going to take a old strand of buffalo plaid ribbon that I had already had, literally around the bottom base of the boarding base. Like, seriously, you guys, watch this. Are you ready? Are you ready? What? Look at that. Look at that. Look how sweet and cute that is. And perfect for any kitchen. Perfect for, you know, if you've got your dining room kitchen that combined, it can go right there on your tables. You could totally put this on a coffee, what do you call that? A coffee, how about this? I lost my thought. Like a coffee stand. I mean, like, seriously, so perfect, so easy, so simple, you guys. So that is how easy it is to create beautiful DIY home decor. You guys, as long as you are not a designer, I do have a private VIP group. I would love to welcome you in. Just put a hashtag VIP in there. You get all the good information, all the goodies that are happening, anything we got going on in Chalk Couture. And I do have a monthly subscription box in there. So you could just put a hashtag VIP. Like I said, if you're interested in being a designer or learning more, just put that hashtag join in the comments. Remember, we are available in the US and in Canada. And you guys, you are always welcome to check anything out right on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick presentation. Look, we're 15 minutes in almost, and most of it was just me jibber-jabbing, right? Super simple, super easy. The end. Home decor. All right, you guys, enjoy the rest of your Thursday. I'm going to head off here. I've got to finish making dinner, and I'll be talking with you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.